Welcome to my channel, That's a Fact. Today's topic is advantages of gardening. Gardening is commonly seen as a too slow activity in an exceedingly modern fast-paced world. People wonder why they ought to spend time on something as leisurely as gardening when every free moment is preoccupied with doing more chores. However, gardening isn't merely making your surroundings more aesthetically pleasing. It's also about the various benefits it provides you. Health benefits. Gardening may be a very physical activity. Incorporating an hour a round of gardening can do wonders for your health. The foremost obvious benefit being weight loss. It doesn't stop there. Studies have shown that gardening helps lower cholesterol and pressure and reduce stress and depression. Studies even show that merely watching a garden is enough to affect vital signs, heart, muscles, and even the electrical activity within the brain. It generates feelings of tranquility and peace and may be very therapeutic overall. Environmental benefits. There will be no denying the fact that human presence has impacted the environment drastically. However, we will reduce and mitigate this impact by gardening. Plants release oxygen after taking in dioxide, thereby generating fresher and cleaner air. Plants also prevent heating away because their root systems hold the soil in situ. Rain gardens allow you to gather rainwater and forestall pollutants from mixing with lakes and streams. If you have got an efficient landscape design around your house, it can help keep the house warmer in winters and cooler in summers, thereby reducing your energy consumption by the maximum amount of 20%. Property value increase. Also, from a purely aesthetic point of view, a well-maintained garden adds to the property value of your house by enhancing its curb appeal. It can even encourage people to place offers for the property faster than they might for a median home. Vegetable growth. Growing vegetables in your garden encompasses a twofold advantage for you. For one thing, you don't need to worry about what pesticides and chemicals are used on the vegetables because you recognize exactly what you have got want to help them grow. Secondly, you get an immense sense of self-satisfaction from providing for yourself and your family in the most elementary way. As you continue down the gardening path, you may learn more and become improved. As you recognize more, you'll even be able to contemplate more possibilities for your garden. Gardening doesn't just facilitate your physical, it also helps you mentally. Additionally, it allows you to contribute to environmental health and even your table. Although gardening yields relatively slow results, those results leave a deeper impact and are rather more long-lasting. If you want to read more informative articles, please check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.